Hi dear friends, in this video I am going to discuss about the command construction line or infinite line. Go to command line, type XL and press enter. So it will ask you to specify a point. I am clicking on the screen to specify a point. I am clicking here. And now see here, if you drag your mouse, so here an infinite line is showing us with a 360-degree rotation. See, it is asking you to specify through point. So if you click anywhere on the screen, so a line will be formed there. Likewise, you can click any number of through points so that multiple lines will create on the screen. And if you want to come out from this line, press enter from your keyboard to come out from this line. I am pressing enter so that you will come out from this line. Press Ctrl A from your keyboard to select all objects on the screen and press delete to delete the selected objects. Now again I am going to the command line, type XL and press enter to activate the construction line. So now there are different options: horizontal, vertical, angle, bisect and offset. So let us use the first option, horizontal. Horizontal is used when you need a horizontal infinite line. So just type H and press enter to enter line. So see here, so if you give H, then a horizontal infinite line will be seen on the screen. See, so it will ask you to specify a through point. So if you click anywhere on the screen, see, you can click any number of through points on the screen to draw multiple infinite lines. And if you want to come out from this line, so you can press enter, or you can also press right click from your mouse so that you can come out from this command. So now press enter to activate the recently used command. See, now there is a second option, vertical. So vertical is used when you need a vertical infinite line, then you need to use this option. So go to command line and type V to activate this vertical option and press enter. So you can see on the screen a vertical infinite line will be activating. So it will ask you to specify through point. So click anywhere on the screen to specify through point. I am clicking here. So like that you can click any number of through points to draw vertical construction lines. And if you want to come out from this command, just press enter from your keyboard or right click on the mouse. Now again I am activating this command, type XL and press enter. So now there is a third option, angle. If you need this construction line with some angle, then you need to use this option. So type A and press enter. So it will ask you to enter angle of X line, angle of infinite line, how much angle you need. So I am giving some 50-degree angle. I am giving 50 and press enter. See, then you will see on the screen this 50-degree construction line, and it will ask you to specify through point. So if you click anywhere on the screen, so that 50-degree construction line will create. See, you can click any number of through points and press enter from your keyboard to come out from that command. Press Ctrl A and press delete to delete every object on the screen. Now press enter to activate the last used command. So before going to that, I am drawing a line. Press enter. Now go to command line, type Excel and press enter. So, and in angle option, see, I am going to angle, type A and press enter. There is an option here. If you don't know the angle of X line, you need to use this reference. So type R and press enter. Select a line object. So I am selecting this line. See, then it will ask you to enter an angle of X line. So now I am giving some 60 degree and press enter, so that it will take the reference line this and it creates a 60 degree line with reference to this selected line. So this is the 60 degree construction line, and you can give the through point to specify. See, I am clicking here to specify the through point, and you can click any number of multiple points so that multiple construction lines or infinite lines will create on the screen. Press enter that command. Now press enter to activate the last used command. Now there is a fourth option, bisect. So type B and press enter. See, it will ask you to specify angle vertex point. So it is asking you to specify angle vertex point. So I am clicking here. I am clicking on the line point, and it will ask you to specify angle start point. So click anywhere on the screen to start the line. I am clicking here, so that it will take the reference point this vertex and a line will create with reference to that line, and it will ask you to specify angle end point. You can click anywhere on the screen so that with reference to that line, and any number of lines will create by clicking on the screen. Just click on the mouse right button so that you will come out from that command. And now type, press enter to activate the last used command, and see here there is a fifth option, offset. So if you activate that option, type O and press enter. So it is asking you to specify offset distance or through. So I am giving the offset distance as some 500 and press enter. It will ask you to select a line object. I am selecting this line, and now it is asking you to specify side to offset, on which side you need this offset line. So click top or bottom so that the line will create with 500 distance with reference to the selected line. And if you click bottom, then it will create a line offset 500 distance in the bottom. Or if you want in top, and you can select on the top side. Select this line and click top or bottom of this line so that an offset distance how much you give, so that will create on the screen. And press escape to come out from this command. Press Ctrl A and press delete to erase everything on the screen. And now I am drawing again line, or in the similar fashion I am drawing on different lines. So now again I am activating the command. Go to command line and type Excel and press enter, so that there is an option. So go to offset, and you can go directly by clicking on this offset, so that will activate. So there is an offset distance of, so if you don't know the offset distance, then activate this command through. So type T and press enter, so that it will ask you to select a line object. I am clicking, so that, see here, so with reference to this line, an offset distance to the specified point it will create. And if you select this point, see, if you select this, and if you select this line with reference to this, it will create offset distance as you specified. So like that you can create with reference to the selected object and click top or bottom to draw the offset distance with infinite lines. So press escape to come out from this command. Press Ctrl A and press delete from your keyboard to erase all the objects on the screen. And this option will be appeared if you go to clicking here the drop down menu. So there is an option here, see here, construction line. So if you click on this, the same options will be activated, X line, so see, horizontal, vertical, and if you can use directly and you go to this draw panel and click there. So all the options are same. So you can use these options as similar to previous case. So now I am going to the command ray, R-A-Y. Go to command line, type R-A-Y and press enter, so that it will ask you to specify start point. See, specify start point, click anywhere on the screen to specify start point. I am clicking here, so that see, if you drag your mouse, an infinite line is creating, see, 360 degree. If you drag your mouse, so the 360 degree line is creating, and if you want to specify the through point, click anywhere on the screen to specify the through point. And if you click multiple number of points, then multiple lines, multiple rays will create. So like that, a ray will be created with the specified point. So in some of the interviews they are asking, so what is the difference between a construction line and a ray? So you need to answer like this. So ray has a starting point. See, if you select this ray, it has a starting point here. And if you zoom on, so there is no end point to a ray. The line which is created by using ray command, it has starting point, but it has no end point. But if you create a construction line, see, I am going to this draw panel, I am clicking here and drawing a construction line. Press escape to come out from this command. So see here, if you select this line, there is no starting and ending points for this construction line. So construction line doesn't have starting and ending points, but ray has a starting point and there is no end point. It is the main difference between a ray and a construction line. You need to answer like this in interviews.